morning, my friends. Just made it to, not just made it, I've been in Mount Vernon, Illinois. We'll be headed out to Bowling Green here in just a little bit. Gotta go get some fuel after I go past the weigh station. Just want to make sure I'm legal. Got a lot of sorghum. I think that's what I had. Yeah, still sorghum. And I'll be heading out. Who knows what's happening next? The weather's supposed to be kind of crappy, so it might be some slow going. If I'm going to take my time, I'm not going to risk it on some weather. Anyways, pretty good morning. I'm going to show you Mount Vernon, TA. Most people already left. When you get out here on East, you have to start real early and finish real early, or else you're never going to find any parking. It kind of sucks when you're out there on mountain time or Pacific time and you're used to that. But that's real early. Anyways, I'll talk to you down the road. Enjoy the ride.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Hey friends, made it out here to, just outside Bowling Green, Kentucky. There's a Champion Pet Foods, I think it is. It's kind of a, this weather's been following me around everywhere I go. I wish it would stop. I got this dark cloud over me, I guess. Right? Right now I'm waiting for them to come and guide me back in. They don't want me to hit anything. I don't blame them. And I don't know if they're going to let me videotape, but I'll ask them. But let me show you around, I guess. There's not much to see right here. It looks like they're ready. All right, so this is sorghum. Let's see if you can get a picture here.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I need to show, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
That was pretty loud. This was a little different. Yeah, a little, goes into this pit kind of thing. And it goes into this little guy. And I don't know if you can see it, but it shoots it through that, goes into there. It goes through that wall. Hey friends. So I just got, still getting unloaded over there. It's gonna take a while, and I think you've seen enough. Oh, what a foggy day out here. Check it out. Dirty stuff. So I just got figured out what I'm going to be doing next. So I'm going to go get some turkey byproducts, and take that up to, or down to Texas, Rice, Texas. And then I'm going to be loading at the same place some lamb meal and taking that up to that Hereford, Texas on Monday. So I got my whole week planned out, but at least it should be pretty easy, you know? We'll figure it out. Yeah. This stuff's coming out nice and easy, which is real cool. And I don't have to go in there and dig it out, or, oops, sorry. I don't have to go out there and dig it out at all, or clean it up any. I don't even have to brush it out. But I do unfortunately have to go get a washout. And they'll probably charge me like 50 bucks to go do that. Oh, looks like I'm about done. Look at that. I want to make sure I don't overload that thing, because I don't want to sweep it all up. But we're getting pretty close. And my battery's about to die here on the GoPro, so I'll put you guys away, and I'll see you a little bit further down the road. See you, friends. Alright friends, made it out here to Robards, Kentucky. Over here at Tyson. I'm gonna pick up some of your chicken byproducts for some pet food down in. We're gonna take it down to Rice, Texas. And we'll see what happens from there. Hopefully they don't take too long. Last Tyson I was at, that stuff took me like 5-6 hours to get loaded. So I just got here. We'll find out how long it takes. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, because I want to get down the road a little bit and hopefully I can find somewhere to park, because out here it gets hard to find places to park. So wish me luck, I guess. I'll see you guys down the road. Alright, this will be a little bit shaky. Unfortunately, they're not going to let me videotape. I asked them. Sometimes it's easier to ask forgiveness than permission, but this time I asked permission and I did get it. But I'm getting this turkey bar meal from Tyson. Or not turkey, it's chickens. There's a whole lot of chicken bits falling into that truck. Now I'm going to be next. Not very fun. Kind of stinky. But, you know, it makes me money. So what the hell? Alright. We'll see how this goes. Evening, friends. I made it all the way out to Union City, Tennessee, on my way to Rice, Texas. So, sorry, bouncing around. That was a long freaking day. I'm not going to tell you exactly how long it was, because, well, I'm not going to tell you how long the day it was. I'll leave it at that. Man, sorry. Something's bugging me. The last couple days has been bugging me. But anyways, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't know. I guess I gotta go make a video, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So, I appreciate all of you. Y'all have a good night.